Welcome to the world of James Reinhardt Morena, where there is no pain and only hearts will reign.
So, this is my me-volution. Ito yung mga physical changes na nangyari sa akin mula infancy hanggang young adult. So, first, during infancy. Error 404, baby picture not found. Ay, I really don't have picture ng baby ako kasi ang pangit ko daw. Ang liit, ang payat, at ang itim. Malayo sa itsura ng kuya ko nung baby, siya na chubby at maputi. Well, according to my mother, I have one pic, pero inanay, awit. So, during my babyhood, lumaki-laki na ako ng konti. May ilan ng ngipin, tinubuan na din ng buhok, at syempre, wala akong naalala sa mga ginagawa ko with that age. Now, during my childhood years, between 3 to 11 years old, diyan ako natutong magsitakbo, magsisitalon, magbike, at marami pang iba. Nagsimula na din mag-aral at magsulat. Magtampisaw sa dagat, nag-practice ako dyan mag-sunbathing. Yan As yung 7th birthday ko at pinsan ko yan na nakasabay ko tumanda hanggang ngayon. Oh wait. Siya pa mas matangkad dyan pero ngayon during my puberty stage, dito nag-start ang ilang mga physical changes like growing of armpit and pubic hair pero konti pa lang. I saw my first pimple. Diyan din unang na-build up yung curiosity ko towards being adult. So, next is during my adolescence period. Dito ko naranasan ang maraming changes. Physically, socially, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. Physically, of course, mas matangkad na ako kaysa noon. Broadening of shoulders, growing of hair in armpit and pubic. Also, in face like mustache, naranasan ko ang magkaroon ng maraming pimples. I have achieved deeper voice dahil sa paglaki ng larynx. At syempre, may body fat increases. Yan kung dati bulkan lang hawak ko, tas naging buwan, ngayon sasama na sa liwanag. Now, I am 18 years old and I am in this period, young adult. Ang pinakamahirap na stage ng buhay. Physical changes, mas halata na yung bigote ko at albas. Dito ko na ma-achieve ang maximum height. I have long and curly hair na hindi ako nagpagupit mula nung nagka-COVID strike. At hindi ako magpapagupit hanggat walang face-to-face class. Diba? Ngiti-ngiti pa ako dyan, pero stress na yan, lol. So, noon, isa lang akong kutong lupa at gusgusing bata, pero ngayon ay disende at mukhang tao na. Before, I am just a curious kid with dreams and hope, but now I'm still that kid, but I am starting to achieve it.